Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Jasmy, we are trading at 0.005218. 24-hour volume, we're up 290%. And market cap here, we are down 2.21%. So heading over to our daily chart, I'm going to cover immediate short term for 4 hours and 2 hours as well in today's video. But taking a look at the Heikin Ashi candlesticks, it did trigger a buying opportunity. We do see the MACD indicator strongly in the green, and so long as these two lines are getting further apart, the momentum is going to build on a daily chart. Now, one of the things I do want to show you here is the RSI is at 56%. Even though we've got a buying trigger for our parabolic SAR, I do want to show you with the RSI here because it's been a while since Jasmy has reached above 50% of the RSI. But if we take a look at a few dips here, we've got 61% being our highest peak on July 10th, and then here at 70%, followed by in the middle at 60%. So we're getting into a higher territory for the RSI that we may see a shift for the price as it is considered to be overbought for Jasmy itself. So keep in mind right now, we are at a RSI of 56%, okay? We do see this high swing candle at the very top. I'm going to switch it over just for just regular candles here. And so far, there has been a lot of selling pressure just because the high that we've achieved for Jasmy today is 0.0069. Of course, with this huge pump, people are looking for selling opportunities to profit that gain here. And of course, we can see the RSI here is down at 47%. So it did drop down from initially 54 all the way down to 47 until we can see that nice crossover of our K line and our D line at the very bottom here. Price is going to continue to come down and just minor corrections in the marketplace. Okay. Now let's head over to our 4-hour time frame here. We do see something a little bit different with the Heikin Ashi candles. We do see it triggered a selling opportunity as the MACD indicator is coming down. So normally when we look at Heikin Ashi candles and the actual momentum of the MACD indicator, it's either it flips over to the red temporarily for either 1 to 3 histograms, or it really drives the price down. And if we take a look at the actual bodies of these candlesticks here for Heikin Ashi, we can see it that the momentum for our selling factor is very, very heavy for today. If we take a look at areas of retracements here, going to switch it over to actual candlesticks. If we take a look at retracements levels here, we can essentially almost just say back down here at our area of supply and demand, we can almost see just a little bit of 38%. If you see this volume profile off to the side here, so all of these lines that's sticking out, this is basically showing us how much volume in the dollar amount that we have here. So here is a good supply and demand, but of course the price is below it. It's going to be treated as a resistance line. Here is one little node here, but it doesn't really hold so much merit because it's not in a cluster itself. So again, here is the supply and demand that if we do fall very, very hard with the MACD indicator, it's going to come back down roughly around the 4876. So around our 50 to 23% because it was a high area of confluence of a huge area of audience. So it's pretty scary for Jasmy. So heading over to a 2-hour time frame, already we see a flip over from the green over to the red. Of course, our parabolic SAR is going to be showing us multiple signals here of selling. So right at this peak here, it already triggered to selling phase. As we can see, the Bollinger Bands are expanding, meaning higher volatility. Jasmy is going to move fairly quickly here on a 2-hour time frame. And if we take a look here, we already closed or kind of battling of closing below the 20 MA. And normally with the 20 MA, you guys, as you know, if we close below it, this uptrend where we passed it here on October 28th is ultimately broken. And we are going from a bull run down to a bear run, and be prepared for that area of supply and demand that we saw in the 4-hour chart. So let me know what you guys think about Jasmy down below. Like and subscribe to the channel, but I'll see you next time. Bye.